Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRunning 24/7, and in today's video we want to do a quick tutorial on showing you how to turn off your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now the Note 10 has a different design. If you look over on the side, it no longer has a button over here, and the button that used to be here was your power button. And if you look over on this side, you have your traditional buttons at the top here, which is your volume up and your volume down, and then you have a third button which is considered the side key. Now, if you were to mash the side key, that will turn your phone screen off, and if you mash it again, it will turn it on, but it will not turn off your device. Now, the side key can be programmed to activate your camera, or it can be programmed to activate Bixby, or thirdly, it can be programmed to turn the phone off and on. But the way you would turn your phone off is, what you would need to do is you would need to swipe down from the top here to go to your notification panel, and if you look in the top right hand corner there, you see your power down symbol. So all you need to do to turn off your phone is to pull the notification panel down, hit that symbol, and your phone will turn off. So that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use. And if you notice, this is a really nice case. Just picked this up to go with my Galaxy Note 10. This is a case by a company called Armadillo Tech, and it's very, very nice. I like the color combination, and it's very durable. It would be considered a rugged case, but it looks very well, and it will protect your phone. So again, like we said, that's the end of our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And while you're hitting that subscribe button, hit the like button too. And don't forget to hit the bell icon also, so you'll be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with TechRunning 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.